My fabric came. Before I started stripping my case, I ordered some fabric from the Featherweight shop, and the fabric that I ordered is Party Blush Rose and Violet's Garden by Miss Rose Sister Violet. They even put rack on the material. Ooh, some matching ones. Very nice. Some coordinating, I should say. Stripes, little dots and flowers. Rip. I feel like a kid at Christmas time. Oh, my main fabric. Oh, it's beautiful. It is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to see it on the case with coordinating fabric so we can put our attachments in and make pockets. I'm excited. I've got my case glued and clamped. So right now it's glued and clamped. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start in with my fabric. And how I measure my fabric is I measure the diameter of the case. And this case I think is from like the 30s, 40s. It's got the tray in the top and it's 42, basically 42 inches around. And since it's got the tray in the top, it's not as long as, let's see. The first case that I did, it has, it has the side tray, so it's longer. So that's something to think about when you're cutting your material, because you have to worry about your direction of your fabric. This particular fabric that I chose is directional, but I just have to get it going up and down. With the other case, it didn't matter what direction. So with this fabric, I could cut bias to bias because it's 42 inches, well, a little more width. So a perfect width of this is what I need, where I had to cut my material for the other case going down the yardage so that I didn't have an extra seam, unless you want to put an extra seam in, which is fine, but I chose not to. So 42 around, so salvage to salvage, and then the front is just a little under 10 inches, and I want my fabric to curve under the bottom so that I have a little more stability in my case. The fabric helps it be secure and safe. So I'm going to put 10 inches basically for the front and about an inch to go under, so 11 inches, and an inch to go over, to wrap over. So I'm going to say 12 inches. So 42 by 12. And then when I'm fixing the fabric, I sometimes tape it down on the edges. I might have to do that. So I went ahead and made mine 13 inches. I've got plenty of fabric for what I need. I've got 2 cutting mats laid out here so I can use them for my table to put my product on. I've got this side double-sided tape down, and I've already put my double-sided tape here. So if I had some nails, I could peel this. I want my fabric to be kind of taut, so that's why I'm using the double-sided tape, just kind of hold it in place for myself. And you'll see why in a minute. Okay, now the fabric is laying pretty nice. This is the product that we're going to be using. It's called Odie Coat, and I'll put a closer up picture. I buy mine from Amazon.